Remember those mornings when you woke up feeling truly energized, your mind clear and your body ready to take on whatever the day had in store, when you felt a sense of purpose and excitement, eager to jump out of bed and embrace new challenges? For many men, that vibrant feeling is now just a distant memory, replaced by a longing for the days when life felt lighter and more effortless. Instead, mornings often begin with a heavy sense of exhaustion, and the hours ahead seem to stretch on endlessly. Even simple tasks can feel overwhelming, and the spark you once had seems to have faded. This isn't just the natural process of aging, it's a silent, gradual drain on your vitality. It seeps into every part of your life, affecting your performance at work, your relationships with loved ones, and your overall happiness. Stress and overwhelm pile up day after day, leaving you feeling irritable, unfocused, and disconnected from the things that once brought you joy. Your body is sending clear signals that it's running on empty. Hormonal imbalances, poor sleep, and constant fatigue are sapping your energy and drive, making it harder to feel like yourself. Ignoring these warning signs only leads to deeper fatigue, declining confidence, and a growing sense of frustration with yourself and your life. Even your most personal relationships can suffer. Often, libido and performance are the first things to go, leaving you feeling isolated and misunderstood. Many men feel trapped in this cycle, believing that this decline is simply inevitable, a part of getting older that can't be changed. But what if you could break free from this pattern? What if you could address the root causes and reclaim the vitality you thought was lost forever? Science now shows that your body has an incredible ability to renew itself, given the right support and lifestyle changes. With the right approach, you can restore your energy, motivation, and zest for life. It's time to stop merely surviving and start thriving again. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and fully alive, no matter your age. Meet John, a 48-year-old dad and project manager who always prided himself on being the rock for his family and team. For years, he juggled work deadlines, family commitments, and the daily grind with a smile, believing he could handle anything life threw his way. But over time, the weight of responsibility began to take its toll. Once energetic and engaged, John found himself running on empty, exhausted, unfocused, and growing distant from the people he loved most. Even simple moments with his family felt overwhelming, and he started to wonder if this was just part of getting older. He tried to push through with quick fixes, relying on coffee to jumpstart his mornings and sugary snacks to get through the afternoon slump. But these crutches only offered fleeting relief, leaving him feeling more drained and frustrated than before. Determined to reclaim his spark, John attempted to exercise and added multivitamins to his routine. Yet, every effort seemed to fall flat. The gym felt like a chore, and the supplements didn't deliver the promised results. He couldn't shake the feeling that he was aging before his time. One restless night, unable to sleep and desperate for answers, John turned to the internet. He stumbled upon NuviaLab Vitality, a supplement formulated with science-backed plant extracts designed specifically for male vitality and energy. The testimonials and research caught his attention, sparking a glimmer of hope. Skeptical but with little to lose, John decided to give it a try. He read every label, checked the ingredients, and committed to the routine, hoping for even a small improvement. To his surprise, within just a few weeks, John began to notice real changes. He woke up feeling genuinely refreshed for the first time in years. His mind felt clearer, his focus sharper, and his energy levels steadily returned. By the end of the month, John was running before work, laughing with his kids, and playing soccer in the backyard, rediscovering the joy and vitality he thought he'd lost forever. His wife immediately noticed the transformation. The spark in his eyes had returned, and the man she fell in love with was back, more present, more energetic, and more alive than ever. NuviaLab Vitality didn't just restore John's energy, it gave him back his confidence, his happiness, and his connection with his family. Life felt vibrant and full of possibility again. John's story is proof that you don't have to accept fatigue and burnout as your new normal. There is a way back to feeling like yourself again. With the right support and a willingness to try something new, you can reclaim your drive, your joy, and your life. Transformation is possible at any age. All it takes is the courage to take that first step toward a better you. NuviaLab Vitality isn't just another multivitamin, it's a targeted supplement for male vitality. Its blend of high-quality natural ingredients supports energy, hormone balance, and stress resilience. Patented extracts like KSM-66, ashwagandha, and EnoSTIM are clinically studied for effectiveness. The formula is designed to work synergistically, enhancing each ingredient's benefits. Manufactured in the EU, it meets strict quality and safety standards. No synthetic chemicals, just potent plant-based compounds. It naturally supports testosterone and regulates stress hormones like cortisol. The result? Restored energy, improved mood, and renewed confidence. NuviaLab Vitality helps you feel like yourself again. Users of NuviaLab Vitality report a deep, lasting boost in energy, not a temporary buzz. B vitamins in the formula help convert food into fuel, keeping you alert all day. Ingredients like ginseng and fenugreek support healthy testosterone, vital for strength and drive. This isn't a steroid, it's a natural way to maintain hormonal balance. Enhanced energy and hormone support mean better performance at work and in the gym. Adaptogens like Korean ginseng help you handle stress and recover faster. The result is stamina to excel in every area of life. Renewed vitality changes your outlook, making you more confident and engaged. NuviaLab Vitality is about restoring your prime. NuviaLab Vitality goes beyond energy. It helps manage stress, boost libido, and strengthen immunity. KSM-66, ashwagandha regulates cortisol, promoting calm and resilience. Lower stress means better sleep and improved mood. Healthy testosterone and EnoSTIM support. Sexual health and performance. Essential vitamins and minerals like zinc and magnesium fortify your immune system. Fewer sick days, more time feeling your best. These benefits create a positive cycle. Less stress, more energy, better health. Nuvia Vitality is a holistic solution for modern men. It empowers you to feel strong, balanced, and capable. When it comes to real results, nothing speaks louder than the voices of those who've experienced the change firsthand. Real users say it best. Mark 52, a dedicated software developer, shares, "After 6 weeks it's like a fog lifted. I have energy for work and family again." He describes how he now wakes up refreshed, ready to tackle both challenging projects and family time with enthusiasm he thought he'd lost. David, 45, who works in construction, says, "I feel stronger on the job and recover faster. My wife and I even started evening walks again." For David, the difference is not just physical. He feels more present and connected at home, and his stamina at work has noticeably improved. Tom, 39, was overwhelmed by work and family stress. "Within a month, I felt calmer, slept better, and my confidence returned." Tom's story is echoed by many who find that better sleep and reduced stress lead to a more positive outlook and renewed motivation. These stories aren't rare. Men from all walks of life consistently report more energy, clearer thinking, and renewed vigor. Whether it's keeping up with kids, excelling at work, or simply feeling more alive, the benefits are real and lasting. NuviaLab Vitality delivers real, tangible results that you can see and feel. Users notice the difference not just in their bodies but in their daily lives and relationships. Users experience improvements in multiple areas: energy, focus, stress, and relationships. Many report being able to handle busy schedules with ease and enjoying more meaningful moments with loved ones. The science-backed formula addresses the root causes of male vitality decline, supporting your body with carefully selected ingredients proven to make a difference. It's a reliable, natural path to feeling your best, without harsh chemicals or empty promises. Instead, it's about real change, some poor day supported by real science. Thousands have reclaimed their lives with NuviaLab Vitality, rediscovering what it means to feel truly alive and confident at any age. The results speak for themselves. Men everywhere are sharing their stories, inspiring others to take the first step toward transformation. You could be the next success story. Imagine waking up with more drive, more focus, and a renewed sense of purpose. Why not see what it can do for you? Take the first step and discover the difference for yourself. The proof is in the transformation. Join the growing community of men who have chosen NuviaLab Vitality and never looked back. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: all natural, science-backed ingredients like KSM-66 and EnoSTIM, comprehensive support for energy, hormones, stress, and sexual health. strict EU manufacturing standards, non-GMO and vegan-friendly. The holistic approach means lasting system-wide benefits. Cons only available through the official website, not in stores or on Amazon. The premium formula means a higher price than generic supplements. Occasionally, high demand leads to limited stock. Still, the investment is in your long-term health and well-being. Package deals offer significant savings. Most drawbacks are about logistics, not effectiveness. For many, the benefits far outweigh the minor inconveniences. Ready to try NuviaLab Vitality? Now's the perfect time. Exclusive deals on the official website mean big savings, especially on multi-bottle packages. The best value package offers a 6-month supply at the lowest price per bottle. The standard package gives you 3 months for the price of 2. Longer supplies let you experience the full benefits and avoid stock shortages. The daily cost is less than a cup of coffee, an investment in lasting vitality. These offers are limited and may sell out quickly. Order direct for the best price and a money-back guarantee. You've seen the science and heard the stories. Now it's your turn to choose. Keep struggling or reclaim your energy and confidence. NuviaLab Vitality is a safe, natural way to feel like yourself again. Order only from the official website for authenticity and discounts. The process is simple. Choose your package, fill in your details, and your order ships discreetly. Imagine waking up refreshed, excelling at work, and being present with your family. Thousands have made the change. Now it's your chance. With a money-back guarantee, there's no risk. Don't let fatigue hold you back. Take control and start living with